we are going to start using our graphics calculator. To solve this system of 3 simultaneous equations, select the equation menu, press F1 for simultaneous and F2 for 3 unknowns. Enter the coefficients for your equations in the form ax plus by plus cz equals d. For example, for the first equation, x plus y plus z equals 6, enter a equals 1, b equals 1, c equals 1, and d equals 6. Do this for each line. Then select F1 for solving. Your calculator returns x equals 1, y equals 2, and z equals 3. This is the solution to our system of simultaneous equations. Right, stop the video here and solve each pair of simultaneous equations. Did you try? Okay, so the solution for the first example is x equals 5, y equals -2, and z equals 3. The solution for the second is x equals -0.5, y equals -1, and z equals 4. The third one has solution 1/3, -2/3, and 1. You can double check that these solutions are correct by substituting these values in the equations. They should all work. Want more practice? Access full courses, quizzes, and worksheets in the link below. Happy learning!